The Anker 757 PowerHouse is a portable power station that is perfect for various power needs. With its robust battery capacity, fast recharge capability, and durable construction, it is built to last. This power station is ideal for power outages, camping trips, or on-the-go charging, providing reliable portable power. It can handle 95% of home appliances and offers 13 ports for all your devices, ensuring convenience and versatility. Despite its power, it remains relatively affordable compared to similar devices. Although it has limited AC outlets and USB ports, it compensates for its functionality and the option to charge using a separate solar panel. Overall, the Anker 757 PowerHouse is an excellent investment for reliable portable power in various situations. The Jackery 2000 Plus is a powerful solar generator and portable power station with a capacity ranging from 2 kWh to an impressive 24 kWh. It can handle heavy-duty devices up to 6,000 watts and offers ultra-fast solar charging. With its long-lasting reliability, it is a versatile choice for camping, outdoor activities, and emergency backup power. The Jackery 2000 Plus comes with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind. The BLUETTI EB55 is a versatile portable power station with a capacity of 537 watt-hours. It offers 13 outputs, allowing you to power multiple devices simultaneously. The EB55 can be recharged in 6 ways, including solar and AC, providing flexibility in various situations. With its LiFePO4 battery and 700-watt pure sine wave inverter, it delivers reliable power. Although not waterproof, when paired with a reliable PV panel, the BLUETTI EB55 is a great option for off-grid power generation. The EcoFlow Delta Pro is a game-changing portable power station with impressive battery capacity and versatile outlets. It features advanced features like X-Boost technology and a long-lasting LFP battery. The Delta Pro is perfect for home backup power, outdoor adventures, and emergency situations. Charging is convenient with multiple options, and the remote control capability adds further convenience. With the Delta Pro, you have power at your fingertips wherever you go. The Goal Zero Yeti 500X is a versatile portable power station with multiple port options, including AC, 12-volt, and USB-C PD. It features a generous battery storage capacity of 505 watt-hours, allowing for an extended power supply. The Yeti 500X can be charged through various methods, such as solar panels, an AC wall charger, or a 12-volt car charger, providing flexibility in different scenarios. With its compatibility with various devices and the ability to pair with solar panels for off-grid use, it is an excellent choice for camping, overlanding, and emergencies.